Alex is new to the channel. We went to high school together. He's a year younger than me. He goes to college down in Texas now.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we have a Ranger behind us. All right, Alex. It's like 6 a.m. What are we doing today?
We're buying a Ranger.
We are buying a Ranger. This is, I don't know what I'm getting myself into here. We officially have the truck on the trailer. We drove it around the block a couple times. 4x4 looks like it's working. Not too bad rust under it. A little bit of rust here and there, but you know, just some surface rust underneath. It looks like, you know, it's kind of what you'd expect. Alex, what have we done?
We've done great things.
Am I gonna regret this? I don't know if I'm regretting this already, but I think it'll be a fun project truck, hopefully. Man, we have all the paperwork signed and it's official. Gosh. Off we go on the road again for another 4-hour drive back home. Alex, you're driving next, I think?
I am driving now, yeah.
Oh, nice. We in Minnesota again?
Yeah. We just passed the sign.
Oh yeah, well, I guess we are. I don't know what's happening, man. I'm just contemplating ripping apart the engine tonight and tomorrow. And my fluid mechanics test that's on Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great times.
We can do it.
Good decisions.
Yep, there we go. We're getting in the back seat here. Dude, this is...
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, and then put the seat back. Put the seat back. And boom, we're in the back seat.
Yeah, this will fit 5.
Yeah, this is... We got plenty of room in here. This is nice.
So much room for activities.
Imagine taking 5 people off-roading in here. Honestly, this interior is really nice. I mean, there's a couple like spots up here.
It's well cut. Wow, if you are like overweight at all, you're not getting in there.
No, you gotta be skinny like us.
Gosh. Oh boy. Hey, I think it's
There's more coat hangers in the back. There's more coat hangers behind your seat.
Really?
Yeah.
We just found our air conditioning. This window doesn't work, but the little triangle windows, and then, yeah.
Triangle.
I am so excited. You know, I'm kind of coming around on this. I'm feeling a lot better about our questionable purchase. This is all foggy. I'm gonna say it again. Ooh. On the marketplace listing, we didn't have like any pictures of the right side. It's pretty much the same as the left side, but there's like a couple of blemishes around. But I'm thinking, you know, we sand this down, repaint it, because the back is already kind of like a little different color. I think we should repaint it red. What do you think? Just keep it the same. I like the red. Yeah, and then even this stuff, we could probably sand this down, and I mean, this is peeling off, but weird looking barn over here. What do you think this is for? Leave it in the comments. Well, we made it back home after about 8 hours of driving. The good old Ranger. We're gonna get this off the driveway and into the garage. I just realized this ratchet strap was completely useless. Nice. So this headlight is being like wedged in here with a board. Back here, I can't even see. Where the heck? What the? That doesn't look very fun to get to. Missing a belt for the AC here, so that's gonna be another issue maybe if we ever want to replace that. But otherwise, I think we're good. It does run and it drives, so it's a plus. All right, taking it off. Just confirmed we do have
at a normal level, but we have oil pressure.
We got oil pressure. Sick.
But we also check oil light, which we're gonna do tonight.
Yeah.
Check the oil.
Yeah, the oil is partially not oil, so that's kind of an issue. Yeah, partially coolant, indeed. Radio be working. Dude, that's actually so nice. Keep her coming. Bending a little. Oh boy. Keep going. Maybe we should use the other ramp for this part. I think that's pretty bent. I don't know if that's gonna unbend. Oh shoot. Gosh. We decided to just send it and bend these ramps some more. Just go for it, yeah. Hey! Nice!
Some oil stabilizer, got coolant, spark plugs, oil filter, and some shop towels.
Yeah. Yoder said it feels like Christmas. It really does. Like,
it really does.
This is so exciting.
And the guy gave us a good deal. We got like $20 off.
I know.
So
he was really nice. We love the guy at Napa. Now to tear into it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I still haven't done any fluid mechanics studying in my 8 hours of driving
I have
today.
homework due tomorrow.
Oh.
We'll do that.
We got Sam in the back seat here. Sam's staying with the Yoder family for Thanksgiving. Say hi, Sam.
Hi.
Alright, so we were just under this truck, and I pulled this little storage box out on the frame rail right here.
What's that called?
And so just to hold on with the magnet right there. So I pulled it off.
Alright, what are we looking? What's inside of it? Let's see.
What's inside? It's not locked.
Dude!
It's the keys!
We got a second set of keys! Let's go!
Brand new.
They probably had no idea that was there the 5 years
That's
she
probably
owned
the
it.
first owner did that.
Yo! Let's go! We asked him, like, you have another set of keys? And
He's like, no.
no way. I was like, oh, that's disappointing. I was like, I guess we'll have to make a copy. But if we have a second set, a lot of this, it's not even that rusty, especially for, you know, Midwest. It's really not that bad. A little bit of surface rust and.
So.
Yeah, ready when you are.
Is the oil coming out?
No, not yet.
It's about to. I just have to move it. You
Okay.
ready?
Yeah, ready when you are.
Oh, that's not good.
What? Dude.
There's no oil.
What?
Oh, there is no oil?
Holy.
Dude, that's not good. Uh-oh.
There's no engine oil?
Go get my dad.
Well, I decided to stick the dipstick in it, and it's really viscous and goopy. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like there was oil there. It's just coming out really, really slow because it's so viscous.
So we've resorted to an air compressor.
Yeah, I mean, it's sprayed out, but like now we have kind of oil everywhere. Yeah, there was like, that oil was not good. So, but that's probably all we'll do for tonight.
Very little oil in the engine.
You never know what you're gonna find in a $1,000 truck.
That has 186,000 miles on it with an owner who probably didn't change the oil.
See, this is why I didn't want to drive it more than we needed to. We're gonna come back tomorrow and all of this is gonna be over there. I'm just never gonna get tired of looking at this thing.
So Alan Mink is trying to take the oil filter off.
Jeez, this is
And he
such
is
a terrible angle.
struggling.
I'm also struggling.
Jeez, dude.
Sam is up top in the engine bay taking pictures of everything so we know where things go and when we get everything apart. Very much.
Oh my god.
Lefty Lucy.
Yeah.
Lefty Lucy.
Yes.
How's it going?
Oh,
Did it move?
I don't know.
It looked like it moved.
Hey, you want to give it a shot?
Sure.
How about it? Yo.
There's really no room down here.
It's so dirty.
It just needs a lift. I'm gonna start trying to get. I just got the oil filter out.
I did it.
And I'm gonna start trying to get this intake off.
Oh, crap. Yo!
So
Where's that power steering fluid?
it's literally this. What I thought was the oil.
Oh.
Or the I thought this was the water.
Yeah, it literally
pump,
says
but
power
it's not.
steering on it.
Oh, I can't read. We got the oil filter off.
Yeah, that was a lot of finagling, but.
The oil filter was covered in oil, so a little slippery.
Filter in it.
Well, maybe it's not that bad.
No, you're fine.
Alright, next up we're taking off some sort of wire.
This is the mass airflow sensor, or something for the throttle body, or throttle body position. I don't really know what this is, but it's a sensor that's on the throttle body, so I'm gonna label this.
How do we label that?
Tape.
Yeah, but what is it?
It's the throttle body position sensor. We'll go with that. It's probably on that.
Okay. Sharpie! Yeah, we should just keep the cap off.
Haha. Alive. Tastes like oil.
No kidding.
I wonder why. Didn't take a genius to figure that one out. Well, now if my calculations are correct, they are not correct.
You're gonna need to give it.
Oh wait, that's because I didn't do these two. Yeah, there's still some more up top. Never mind, I'm dumb.
According to our calculations, if you leave bolts in the intake, you're not gonna be able to take the intake off.
He's got a point!
Write that down.
At least these bolts aren't completely rusted on, you know? What is this thing?
The bracket, this is probably a sensor. This is a sensor for something. It's something important. It's probably a vacuum sensor for that or something, I don't know.
Okay, now we can get down there.
What is 932?
930 seconds.
Oh,
4.5,
that wasn't even the right
6
bolt. Yeah, there was no way I was gonna get to that.
1/4. Brother, I'm not very good at math.
1/4 is 25%.
No kidding.
Wow!
Then that's why you're ordering them.
Well, give me a second.
Ladies,
Stop
you're
complaining.
both pretty. Jeez. These people will tell you.
Yeah, these, you know,
What?
you're struggling to even put that in.
I'm not stripping it, am I?
You are, it's not in straight.
Heck is the one over here.
Are you sure one of these bolts weren't shorter than the other one?
No, I don't know. I didn't check. I'm pretty sure they're the same. Well, I think those are all the bolts that hold the top down. Yeah, she is loose.
She is.
There's a lot of cables in the way though.
I know.
There's all these wires routed through it, which seems really smart to whoever did that.
But it should pop off and there should be like holes.
Big.
Dude, we're not gonna be able to put this back together.
Why not?
We're in over our head, aren't we?
Let's take this out. Why do you say that?
We've taken apart like 10 things and I'm like, I don't know if I remember the 10 things we took apart.
That's why you're supposed to be recording this.
It's a lot of footage to sort back through. You know, we have resorted to flipping the hood backwards. Yeah.
It's supposed to look like that.
Thing off. Ford, what are you doing? Ah! Feel me? Ah, there we go. That might. You know, why didn't I think of that earlier?
Mr. Engineer.
Hey, we got it.
Let's go.
Okay.
We got some black hands, man. All right.
You're gonna have to go over and to the right.
Gosh.
I'm not kidding. Like,
gosh, dude. Yo.
okay, there's a bolt there.
Oh my gosh.
What size is it?
Probably 10 mil. I'm gonna send this video to Kurt. Kurt is the guy we bought the truck from. Well, it was the owner's boyfriend, technically, is this Kurt guy. He was a pretty interesting character. We like him. He was pretty cool. He seemed like a motorcycle guy. And he's gonna be like, bro. Okay, now we can put this back in just a little bit.
It's in.
Yes, sir.
What about that?
We're just gonna leave that.
Oh my God.
This is on a.
Let's go. There's the engine.
And here's where we'll conclude the video. You can tell we have had no idea what we were doing when we were doing it. Stay tuned to see us rip apart more of the engine and try to figure out how to put it back together in the following videos.